Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly trend and the probable upcoming trend of Dow Jones indices as well as the Nasdaq Composite Index. So basically this is an hourly chart and the time frame of this chart could be in between a couple of hours to couple of days. So what we're going to do now is first we are going to look at the hourly chart of Dow Jones indices and then we will move on to Nasdaq. So let's start. So this is the hourly chart of Dow Jones indices, and what we have probably seen in the past 1 week or 10 days, that the indices has probably moved into a consolidation zone, and it is consolidating rather than moving up or down. It is consolidating within a range, and you can probably see that the higher and the lower end of the range is pretty much intact, and you can probably calculate where are those levels. Just if you just make some adjustment and to try to find out the support and resistance level, it is pretty much clear, and one on the upside because this is a gap down, so probably in the future it could try to match up the gap, and probably you can call it as a resistance level in the short term. So this is pretty much it, and now we are going to check the important support and resistance points, and it's very much clear that they have established this chart in the weekly trend has established support and resistance level. So the support would have come near 25,544 odd levels from where the chart has moved up. So we are first going to check the support levels, then we are going to check the resistance level or the target level on the upside. So this is our first level, first support level, and if it breaks down, then this is the big support level of this entire trend. If I consider this as a trend, so this is the big level which you should look at, which is at around 24,980 odd levels, right? And on the upside, your first target or your first resistance should be at around 26,312, and if it indeed crosses that, then 26,479 or 480. So what you can probably do, or what one can probably do, is consider these level from 26,300 to 26,500. You can call it as a resistance zone, because the proximity of these two lines are very close. So what you can probably do is consider it as a zone, and if it indeed break out above 26,500 odd levels, then the next resistance should come at around 26,972 and 27,567. So the thing is, the place where the current price lies is near to this resistance level. So obviously this is 300 point away right now, but you can consider these two lines as your resistance zone, so that once it crosses over beyond 26,500, then the next target is at around 4,000 or 5,000 points away, and the total distance from here to here is around 1,000 points. Now this is about your Dow Jones, and if you check the Nasdaq Composite Indices, it is the strongest. I have no doubt that this is the strongest indices in the world right now, in the entire, if you just compare all the global market indices. So Nasdaq, I think, is the tech is the flavor, and it's going to be the flavor in the upcoming years, because you can probably see that there is a trend which is going on and which is pretty much visible, that because of current health crisis, what we can probably see is uh, there is a shift in our life cycle, in our the way we behave and the way we do work and the way we engage. So there is a tech everywhere. So in that sense, it's pretty much changed everything. So I think tech will be the flavor, and it doesn't matter that whether those are the big giants or those FANG companies which are running entire world, or there will be another companies which will come and join the party. But the thing is that if the sector is in a flavor, so every stock does get benefited out of it. So that's the theme, and with that we can look it around, that how the trend has shaped up. And one thing that I have already made the long-term trend analysis of Nasdaq, which we can one can probably check it out. And this is about this is the weekly trend. So this is the hourly time frame and the weekly trend. So the validity of the chart will be from couple of hours to couple of days. And I think that when you look at the long-term chart, long-term trend, you will find that this is probably the strongest indices across all the indices in the financial market across the world. So this is near the resistance level where Dow Jones is consolidating, it is making bigger moves, and the resistance level would come at around 10,692, and if it breaks above, then it will be around 10,948. These are the two important levels in Nasdaq which one should look at, and once it crosses 11,000 odd levels, so you could probably see that there is a change in trend or shift in trend, and the trend will shoot up much higher and much faster than one could probably think. And the support would come at around, for this chart, at around 10,443. So this is pretty much it for the Nasdaq, because the chart strength is so good and so fast that you could probably think firstly before taking any short call, because if and when you take short call, you have no idea and nobody have that guts to carry on the short call for more than a couple of hours, because the trend is so quick that it will reverse very sharply and it will go very sharp on the upside. So this is pretty much it from this presentation, and I hope you would like it. And if you indeed like it, do like and share your comments in the comment section, and do subscribe my channel for this kind of contents. And lastly, take care of your family and friends.